Hello and welcome to Have Fun Cooking. Today we're going to air fry some chicken nuggets in this air fryer microwave. What comes with this is the air fryer plate and also the baking and roasting plate. You can use this also on the microwave convection setting too. And we're going to air fry about 6 nuggets. You're going to open this up. If you want to use the preset, you can. Here's a preset for 6 ounces. How you do the preset is you hit air fry, 400 degrees. That's the default for air fry. You hit it again because the preset for nuggets is AF2. So that's AF1. Now we're going to hit the plus sign here for 2. And we hit start. This is 6 ounces. And then you can hit start. But the time gives you 13 minutes. That may be too much. This is only 3 ounces, so we're going to air fry this for about 8 to 9 minutes. So we're going to hit the 5-minute mark and then add 8 minutes. And then all you do is hit start. We'll check it at 8 minutes and see if it needs a little bit more time, but 8 minutes should be about it. Okay, so it's been 8 minutes. So let's check it. Okay, and here are your nuggets. Perfectly cooked. If you want them a little bit more crisper, I'd say put them in there for another minute, but this is it. And this is how you air fry your chicken nuggets. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for future videos. And remember, have fun cooking.